Hi, this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stand. Today I'm going to show you how to make these two cars. It can't be easier than this one. Let's try finish this tutorial in 5 minutes. How's that? Let's start it. Okay, so we're going to use just these stamps. This background stamp. This is a water bubble one. It's a brand new design. It's actually very popular. Some dye-based impact, I use a memento. You can use any kind of water-based or dye-based impact will work. And we are going to use a glossy paper or the matte coat cardstock. Try to use a good quality cardstock. Even watercolor paper will work. So I already pre-stamped my image with VersaFine and make sure they are completely dry. And I use a coat matte cardstock, good quality. Local King Magic Mushroom. If you haven't seen our other tutorial, make sure you go to our DVD library. There's a lot of introduction about what is the Local King Magic Mushroom. Okay, so you probably already see few of my mushroom, my tutorial. So look this one. This is a really very pretty. It took me probably 3 seconds to color this one. Just use a magic mushroom, just rub, and then the mushroom will do the job. It turned out like this. But how come this one the bubble is white, is no color? That's what today's tutorial for. Okay, to be able to make this car, you got to have something called, this is a 3D Galaxy Gloss. It's from Tesla. You can use a Judy King's diamond glaze. You can use a Notebook, this 3-dimensional glue. You can use Craft Fantastic, their glazing glue, or you can use a crystal effect. There's a lot of 3-dimensional glue. If you can't find nothing, you can even use just regular glue, but this one is not going to be 3-dimensional glue. It's just have a finish coat, just to protect that bubble. It won't get any color. So just get a 3-dimensional glue. I found out the Craft Fantastic's glaze glue is a little bit thick, so it's kind of hard to apply. So Tesla's glossy gloss is good, but it is very liquid, so it's kind of, you want to create the 3D effects a little bit hard. So this is the best one. Okay, so if you have like a liquid one, like a diamond glaze, what you can do, you can use like eye drop bottles or this kind of bottle, put your glue inside, help you to apply on top. Okay, like I say, 5 minutes tutorial. So what I do is I stamp 4 times with the VersaFine black color. I don't know, can you see? It's really hard to see. Let me see. Can you see the bubble? Okay. You probably, oh, here is the point. You probably can see. I use this crystal effect or diamond glaze, and then I just do this. Show you. I just use directly try to squeeze the glue out, draw a little circle, kind of create a bubble. Can you see? Okay, so some of them I just use a brush to give a very thin coat. Some of them I actually kind of make like a 3-dimensional. So I hope you can see. I do my best like this. So you just it actually, if you touch it actually look like a 3D. So those diamond glaze is just kind of create those clear bubble water looking. Okay, so I'm gonna show you just a quick demo. Some of them you can do completely flat, and then some of them just put a little bit glue, but it doesn't need the time to dry. At least you need like 3 hours to make sure all your glues are completely dry before you apply the color. Okay, 5 minutes demo. I really hope I can make it. So this one already is hard to see. You can see, oh, there you go. You can see here is actually kind of 3D. So some of them, let's see, okay, like this one is kind of flat, so I just use a paintbrush, dipping some glue and apply it on top. And be careful, you don't want your hand touch any glue, because if your hand touch any glue, even you clean it, is still kind of created some kind of protection. The color won't go there. So keep your hand clean. And then what I do is I put some of those double, you know what I mean, and then inside a small jar, and I just use a paintbrush to just apply the color on top. And then the first one, no kidding, 2 color only. So I have my green mushroom and I have a blue mushroom. So the blue mushroom, well, I think the color is okay. Okay, we're going to apply a little bit green, just drawing a little circle. You push hard, is darker color. You release the pressure, is lighter. It's almost done. And then we're going to put a little bit blue, just drawing a little circling. I use glossy paper because the surface is much smoother, so it's easy to apply. That's it. Done. Okay, but before we move on to the next one, you're going to use a Kleenex, spray a little bit water, and we're going to kind of wiping those color which is setting on those diamond glaze water bubble, so that way your bubble looks much clear. Isn't amazing? Can you believe it? It can't be easier than this. Next one, we are going to use a little bit green, a little bit orange, and a little bit purple. 3 colors. No matter what I do, it's going to look awesome. That's a promise. We can put a little bit pink if we want to. Okay, so that's start with orange first. Okay, make sure your mushroom, because it's the color is kind of heavy, so I don't really have to worry about the clean mushroom. So brush a little bit color and find the spot. Just drawing a little circle. Tap here and there. Okay, and we are going to change a little bit green. A little bit corner here. Okay, and then a little bit pink. Wow, and a little bit purple. Again, mixed with a little bit water, clean that bubble here, and the bubble is come pop out. You can see some of the bubble is color with the color because it doesn't have that clear coat. So some of them is flat, some of them is 3D. It look really like a bubble, but it's really just like that. So give a try. Simple and easy. Local King Magic Mushroom, the new product. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this tutorial, and I already start a new project. We are going to create something like this soon. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to YouTube channel or like us on the Facebook. You don't want to miss any awesome tutorial. This is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stand. Thank you for watching. See you next time.